Good evening, guys. So this is my chubby dog, the fat one. So we just got back from our night routine, guys. We went at the back to check the chickens if they are all right. And after that, Scubby, my fat dog, look at him. He's feeling tired, and as a reward, I gave him a soothing experience by brushing his back. They really love to get brushed, guys. Why are you jealous? You'll next, but later. Look at you. So let's go back to Scubby. I see it, guys. He's feeling relaxed. So that's Jungle. The last time I also brushed him. Mm, how are you feeling, Scubby? Look at that face. And that one, that's Blackjack, guys.